Residents of Seoul, South Korea spent part of the weekend digging out from a snowstorm. On Saturday, the city received its biggest single-day snowfall recorded in December for more than 40 years. Mark Castillo has the details.
More than 12 centimeters of snow blanketed Seoul, the heaviest since 1981. The storm snarled traffic and caused several collisions. But authorities report no deaths or injuries from the storm. It's likely several people had backaches from shoveling the white stuff from their sidewalks. Local media reports that nearly 4,600 workers and more than 1,200 pieces of equipment had been deployed to clear the snow. Other parts of the country received snow and rain on Saturday. Mark Castillo from Ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.